Okay, hi everyone. Okay, gonna try and show you how to solve a problem that you'll get with old speaker, any speaker really I guess, which is at some point someone's come along and put their finger in the tweeter and squash the cone, yeah, so it looks like a crater or something like that. Here, I'll give you a close-up of this so you can see. So, can you see that? Yeah, it's squashed in. Now, that really won't sound very good, yeah, you really don't want that. Now, when we're going to try and get this out, I'll show you in a second, if we get it out and there's just a couple of crinkles in the dome, that's pretty well okay, yeah. This is not going to sort of make a big difference to the sound, but we want to get this crater back out and then basically it should be fine. Okay, think how to do it. What we do is straws, okay? We're going to try it with straws. There are two things you can do. First thing is straws. Now, let me tell you, that straw is a plastic straw and it's fairly thin. That is better than that straw, which is a paper straw and it's wider. You'll struggle to get a grip with the wider circumference straw. So something like that, I would say plastic and not big, because if it's big there's always a little air gap coming underneath it and now you can't get any suction on it, yeah? So thin and plastic is what I would do. The other thing you can do, right, is literally just go in and try to suck it out, right? You just go right in there and try to suck it out. But I'm not going to do that as my first option. So I'm going to do it with this straw and I'm going to see how it works out. So I mean, when you do this, give it 100% concentration, yeah? Don't mess around, because these are very fine things. You've just got to get there, get hold of it and then move outwards, yeah? And you don't want to press it in more, so you want to make sure, tell if you've got a grip. So anyway, wish me luck. Not getting it. It's too far gone. So I'm going to go in there with my lips. Okay. I did it. Okay, take a look at that. Yeah, can you see that? Sorted. That was in quite deep, which is why this straw wouldn't really do it. But there you go, that's sorted out. Yeah, that's about it. If you want any more tips on hi-fi, I've been messing around massively with stereos for 40 years. Loads of tips on my channel. Please subscribe. Okay, bye now.